scale. At 0 it is 1, 1 it is 0, 2 it is again 1, this is 1, 1, 3 it is 0, 4, 1, and here it is 2. Suppose this is a signal, and this signal is, say, xn. This signal is xn. Now you are asked to make this one x of twice n. So while this is x of twice n, that time this point, this 0 point should be divided by 2, that is 0, and this 2 should be changed to the 1 as divided by 2. This one will come 2, and this one is 3. In this way you can change your signal. This is called scaling, time scaling. Or
Sir,
yes.
sir, is amplitude same or not, sir, after the scaling?
Amplitude will be same. There will be
Sir,
no change.
how is it, sir, possible?
Why? Your signal,
Yes,
the
the signal is a
is
time function, sir. So, sir, it is varying with time.
it
So,
is
sir,
varied with time. So your originally the time is n. Originally the time is with n. So you have only change your scale down your scale. That
okay, sir.
scale, the amplitude will not affect. If the amplitude is changed, then your signal will be changed. The character of the signal, properties of the signal, all the things will be changed. The amplitudes are same, but the scale is squeezed down. তোমাকে বলা হলো একটা বড় জিনিসকে টেনে চিপে ছোট করে দিতে, you have squeezed it, and or in the squeezed form of your scale, the character of the signal is same. What is the character of the signal? The character of the signal is at the point, that is, if it is now, suppose this is now, the points are here 0, 1,
1, 2, 3.
3. Okay, so it is 0, 1, 2, 3. The scale originally it was 0, 2, 4, 6. That time it was xn. Now it is x of twice n. Your n, this n is squeezed. Your the axis, that axis you can scale down. You can write it in the considering the scale, smaller scale or higher scale. If you suppose you have one image from Google Map or anything, if you maximize this one, is the image is changed or same image? The scale is enhanced.
Yeah, sir. Scale to change.
Squeeze that one, the scale is squeezed, the image is same. Here also your signal is same, but the scale is squeezed and scale is enhanced. If it is x of n by 2, then your signal will be 0,
4,
4, 8, and 12. But the amplitude are same, only the scale size is changed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, how we can change the time expansion? It is scaling down and it is expansion. This one is time expansion. Okay. This one is time expansion. Now next we shall do the scalar multiplication. If it is, say, sorry, this xn, say this twice of xn, so someone ask you, instead of x of twice n, you have to do this one twice of xn. Then what will happen that time?
Sir, amplitude
Amplitude will be changing.
Amplitude will be
Amplitude
double.
changes.
This
Yes, sir.
total xn, the signal of the xn is multiplied with 2,
Yes, sir. Yes.
not the n. N is your time scale.
Time scale.
N is your time scale. As it is discrete, we are writing n. If it is continuous time, suppose this is a signal. What type of signal this one?
Unit step.
Gate.
Unit step
steps.
signal. And
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
unit step signal. So this unit step signal, this is your UT. This is your UT. And suppose this point is 0 point. This is 0 point. And now this signal, suppose again, let this signal is up to this one. Say this point is 0. This is the 0 point, and this one, say 0.12. Okay. So this is one gate signal. This gate signal, if it is U2T, if it is U2T, then it should be 0 and 6. If it is U T by 2, then it is
24.
0, 24. And if it is twice of UT, and suppose this one is 1, so that time this amplitude should be, instead of 1, it should be 2. The amplitude should be 2, not 1, as because it is twice of UT. Similarly here, twice of xn, here this amplitude 2 will be multiplied to the 2 4, and this one is 2, this is 2 2. Okay, so this is called the expansion, time expansion and time scaling, and this one is called scalar multiplication. This is called scalar multiplication. Here,
Yes, sir.
this is called scalar multiplication. Your signal is multiplied. Next one is your signal multiplication. This is scalar multiplication, signal multiplication. Suppose a signal Are you writing all the thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the note. This is your say x1n. It is suffix, but it is not possible. I think it is not possible to write here x suffix. Another signal, say x2n, x suffix 2n. Write down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here two signal is given to you. Now you are asked to make a signal multiplication. How you can do that one? Your signal, this signal, if you can plot this signal, it is the 0 point and here it is the 0 point. Okay. So x1 n dot x2 n equal bracket -1 0 into 1 okay. This -1, that is if it is 0, this is -1 in a scale, and then -2. At -2 the value is 0. Here the minus at -2 value is 1. So 0 into 1 is multiplied. At -1 into -1, here 2 into 2 both are at 0. -3 into -1 and -2 into 0. Again here is 0. So we can write this one zero, 1, 4, 3, 0. This is your result. Okay. If you want to plot this one, your signal will be like this at 0. Where it is 0? 0 is at this point. Okay. Your signal is now, that is at 0 point, it is amplitude is 4. At -1, it is 1. And +1, it is 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you can do the signal multiplication. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. It is now 4 o'clock over.
Yes,
Let us stop today. Again, we shall discuss this one on Friday. Any for